Hi, this is Peter Suk Sin Chan. Today I'd like to show you one of my tiger lily painting that I did 10 years ago. I personally really like this painting because I love this dusty blue color tiger lily very much. So unique and beautiful. As you can see, this painting I did it in the year of 2008, exactly more than 10 years ago. Well, I hope you will enjoy my tiger lily painting. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you all a great day. Take care. Bye bye. And thank you for watching once again.